So you have a well, but you don't just have any well. You have a low yield well. And unfortunately, you run out of water on occasion. So what do? Well, there are generally only a couple of options. You can drill a new well and hope for success, or if you have a low yield well, you can install a well manager and get guaranteed results. A well manager is an above ground well solution. It is a multi-stage system in that it's a collection system. A timer tells your well pump when to go on and for how long. It's a storage system with varying sized tanks depending on your need. And it's a distribution system. The tank supplies water to your house through a consistent pressure module when you turn on the faucet. This unit supplies pressure to your house equal to that of city-supplied water. The well manager is a simple yet very effective concept. For example, we have an 18-gallon per hour low-yield well. So we set our well manager timer to go on every 30 minutes for 1 minute to collect 6 gallons of water. That's 12 of the 18 gallons per hour, so to leave some behind to compensate for drier times, and as much as 288 gallons per day. So the well manager timer turns your well pump on. The well pump then pumps the water into your storage tank. The water is then distributed based on your needs: laundry, showers, dishes, etc. The well manager process continues 24 hours a day, unless, of course, the storage tank is full. When you use water again, the process then repeats itself. Timer, pump, storage, distribute. Timer, pump, storage, distribute 24 hours a day. You know, the results are staggering. You go from not being able to use your dishwasher, taking your clothes to the laundromat, and timing your showers, to using your dishwasher, doing multiple laundries, taking long showers, and having ample water supply left over for additional use. And it's not a problem to have guests anymore. When you leave for the day, the well manager keeps working, and when you return, the storage tank is full or well on its way to be. You know, I'm not a well manager representative. I'm a customer, and a very satisfied one. The well manager has changed our life. It has made the investment in our house whole again. It has made our life a lot easier. If you have a low yield well, reclaim your life and install a well manager. I highly recommend it. My name is Brian. I live in New Baltimore, New York, and thanks to Well Manager, I can enjoy it again.